In this video, we will discuss and review the WorldCoin app. So, as you can see, you can head over to your Apple Store or to your actual Play Store in order to search for this app. Search for it and install it if you want. From in there, click on Open and head over and then register or sign up. If you already have an account, proceed to log in. Now, there's actually some questions about its actual privacy stuff. So the app itself runs fine and is pretty simple to use with homepage, wallet, and also World ID right here. However, the actual big con for this is the privacy stuff. You need to scan your eyeball in order to actually get access to it and to be verified as a real human. You also need to upload your official ID and tap to verify humanity by scanning your eyeball right here. So, on some cases, this is actually a big disadvantage since some users are expressing mixed reviews regarding this one. So, as you can see, this is actually a not so good option, and some users also express it as a horrible idea. So, that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.